Hi everyone. In this short video I will explain you how to create functions, not indeed function blocks. How to create a function and refer to it within codesys using ST as the programming language. So I will continue the example that I had for creating function blocks and using them in ST programming language, but this time I want to add a function to this project. So I right click on application and in add object I select POU. Here I have chosen function and the return type I have set it as real. So this function will return me a real value. And to name it, I just call it, let me just change the language. I call it func Tohid, for example, yeah? It's a cool name. And here I have ST as the programming language. Adding it, I will have the variable declaration area for the function. As you can see, it's in the form of keyword function, then the name of the function, and then the type of the return value from the function. I can determine here input variables. Again, I call them num01 as a real variable and num02 as another real variable. I can also have some local variables within this function, but for now I don't care, I don't use them. Here, to determine the return value from the function, I just need to assign some value to the name of the function. So I use func Tohid and the name of the function, and here I need to assign the value. To assign the value, I just you can do whatever you want to do here, but I just provide the num01 times num02 plus I just want to add the num01 divided by num02. So multiplication plus division of these two values as the input variables will provide the output value for the function. Saving it, now here we need to refer to that, and to use the output from the function, I'm going to declare a new variable. I just call it function result of type real. And here I refer to that declared variable funcRes, then assign the value coming from funcTohid, which requires two inputs, num01 as A and num02 as B, I would say. So here I provide two real values, and then that's all. So in this way, we will have the result of the function assigned to this variable funcRes. Let me log in and check whether it works properly or not. So this is our main program. If I run it, I already had some initial value for A and B, 20 and 30. You can change it by forcing some values, but for now it's alright. And here you can see the result of the function. Yeah, the function receives two input variables, A and B, which are 20 and 3. The result is 66.7. 20 times 3, which is 60, and 20 divided by 3, which is 6.666 or 6.7. And here you can see that the correct result is assigned to the variable funcRes. So one more thing here to notice is that when you declare the function and use it, unlike the function blocks, you don't need to instantiate it. So if you pay attention here, I had a function block, and in order to use that function block, I needed to instantiate it with a variable. But for the functions, you don't need to instantiate them. You just need to refer to them, and they will provide you the output. And usually they have single output. They can have multiple input variables. So the function blocks and functions are different from each other, and the way to declare them, the way to implement them, and the way to use them within the code are different than each other. So I hope you will find this helpful in using the functions in the Codesys environment. Uh, Thank you for watching and see you next time as usual.